Kennedy from Pitrix Technologies. I am excited to share insight into our latest AI innovation, Readital AI. Readital AI is a powerful AI-driven learning management system that allows users to create customized courses with just a single click. With Readital AI, you could create hundreds of lecture slides and hundreds of lecture videos on just a particular course. Stay tuned to the end.
Welcome to Readital AI, where creating powerful courses is no longer complicated, it's instant. Right from the homepage, everything you need is at your fingertips. You can quickly explore and enroll in existing video or ebook courses, discover new topics, and search through a wide range of categories designed for students, professionals, instructors, and organizations. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills, grow your career, or expand your knowledge, Readital AI makes access simple and seamless. But today, we're going beyond enrollment. Today, we're showing you how to create your own AI-powered video course with over 100 to 120 structured lecture videos, and how to generate detailed ebook courses with 100 to 120 professional slides, all in just a few clicks. Let's get started.
Creating a video course on Readital AI is incredibly simple. First, choose your course category. Whether it's academic, professional, programming, technical, personal development, or more, you're in control. Once you select your category, you'll choose your course specialty based on that selection. This ensures your course is focused, relevant, and perfectly aligned with your goal. Next, simply describe the course you want to create, or just enter a course title. It's that easy. You also have the option to make your course public so others can discover and enroll in it, or keep it private for personal or organizational use. And the best part? You can always change this later inside the course editor. When everything looks good, just click Create Course. Within moments, Readital AI does the heavy lifting for you, generating a fully structured video course powered by advanced AI. No manual outlining, no hours of preparation, no stress. Once your course is ready, select a thumbnail that represents your content and gives it a professional finish. And just like that, you're done. It's time to enroll in your newly created course, complete with over 100 engaging lecture videos, ready to learn, teach, present, or share. This is smarter learning. This is faster course creation. This is Readital AI. If you're excited about transforming the way courses are created, make sure you like this video, drop a comment below, follow for more updates, and most importantly, sign up now and start creating with Readital AI today.
Now, let's look at how enrollment works on Readital AI. Before starting any course, users visit the course enrollment page. This page gives a complete overview of the course, so you know exactly what to expect before you enroll. You'll see the course title, category, specialty, instructor details, total duration, and the number of students already enrolled. There's also a clear What You Will Learn section that highlights the key knowledge and skills the course delivers. The course outline is structured into 10 to 12 modules, and each module contains 10 to 12 lectures. Instead of displaying all the videos or slides immediately, the page provides a brief description of what each lecture covers. This helps you understand the depth, structure, and value of the course before making a decision. Once you're satisfied and ready to begin, simply click Enroll, and you'll be redirected to the course details page. Now this is where learning truly happens. The video course details page is divided into two clean sections. On the left, you'll find the video player. Below it, you can view course details and information about the current lecture. You can pause anytime, mark a lecture as complete, and track your learning progress through built-in analytics. There's also a comments section where you can ask questions and interact with other enrolled learners. On the right side, you'll see the full course structure, 10 to 12 modules with toggle functionality. Each module reveals its lectures, allowing you to easily switch between lessons. You can manually select the next lecture or let it automatically move forward once a video finishes. Everything is designed to make learning smooth, organized, and engaging. Like, comment, follow for more updates, and sign up now to start learning smarter with Readital AI.
Now let's explore one of the most powerful features of Readital AI, the course editor. Every course you create comes with its own dedicated editor. You can access it through the Your Courses page, where all your created courses are organized in one place. Once inside a course, the editor is divided into two main tabs. The first tab is the main course. This is where you manage your video lecture course. Here you can update course details, edit content, delete sections, add new modules, add new lecture videos, and control the course privacy at any time. Everything is flexible. Everything is in your control. The second tab is the custom course. This is for the ebook version of your course. By default, the ebook format is not automatically created. The system first requires the video course format. Once your video course is ready, you can generate the ebook version with a single click. You don't need to re-enter the course title, category, or specialty. The system intelligently uses the existing video course structure to regenerate the ebook format. That means the same modules, the same lecture structure, and the same outline, transformed into a fully structured, slide-based course with over 100 to 120 lecture slides. All you need to do is click Generate Custom Course, and Readital AI handles the rest. The system even uses AI to create relevant graphics and visuals for each lecture slide, making the learning experience more engaging, interactive, and visually appealing. Once the ebook course is generated, you can edit it, update it, add slides or modules, delete content, and manage its privacy, just like the video version.
Now let's move to the ebook course details page, where reading and presentation come to life. The layout is clean and familiar, structured into two columns for easy navigation. On the left side, you'll see the active slide display. Each slide is visually enhanced with graphics and images designed to make concepts clearer and more engaging. Below the slide, you'll find course details and information about the current lecture slide. You can move at your own pace, mark slides as complete once you've read them, and monitor your learning progress through built-in analytics. There's also a comment section where you can ask questions, share insights, and interact with other learners enrolled in the course. On the right side, you'll find the complete course structure, 10 to 12 modules with toggle functionality. Each module reveals its lecture slides, allowing you to easily move between topics. You can manually switch to the next slide or let the system automatically advance as you progress. For a more immersive experience, you can even switch to full screen mode, perfect for focused reading or professional presentation. This is not just an ebook. This is a fully structured AI-powered slide experience designed for learning, teaching, and presenting. Like, comment, follow for more updates, and sign up now to unlock the full power of Readital AI.
Here's where Readital AI really stands out: the ebook and slide export features. Once your course is ready, you can effortlessly export it as PDF, Microsoft Word, or PowerPoint files. And here's the best part: every export is professionally structured by AI, so you can use it right away. No more tedious formatting, no more guesswork, just ready-to-go materials for offline reading, study sessions, or formal presentations. Each format has its own optimized layout. PDFs are perfect for crisp, clean reading. Word documents are fully editable, so you can make tweaks if you want, but honestly, most of the time, they're ready to go as is. And PowerPoint exports? Fully presentation ready, with slides beautifully arranged, making your lectures, workshops, or team presentations instantly professional. Think about it. Whether you're in a classroom, training session, corporate boardroom, or learning from home, Readital AI gives you everything you need in one place. You get video courses, ebooks, and export-ready slides, all generated automatically. It's an all-in-one learning platform that saves you hours, effort, and stress, while giving your content a polished, professional edge. Imagine creating a course in minutes and immediately having over 100 lecture slides, fully exportable and ready for any situation: teaching, presentations, personal study, or corporate training. You're not just creating courses, you're creating knowledge experiences that are instantly actionable and visually stunning. And here's the kicker: this isn't just for students. It's perfect for teachers, instructors, business leaders, HR teams, and lifelong learners. You have a complete toolkit: videos for deep learning, slides for teaching, and documents for sharing, all in one platform, all powered by AI. So don't wait. Like this video, comment your favorite feature, follow us for the latest updates, and most importantly, sign up now to start creating courses, exporting slides, and transforming the way you learn and teach. With Readital AI, learning is fast, professional, and effortless. Turn your ideas into courses. Turn your courses into presentations. Turn your presentations into knowledge that inspires. Join thousands of learners and creators today and take your learning to the next level with Readital AI.